Ever wondered how to turn that Best Buy store credit into the latest tech without leaving your couch? Today, we're unlocking the simple process of using your Best Buy store credit for online purchases, so you can snag those electronics, appliances, and gadgets you've been eyeing from the comfort of home. First things first, head over to BestBuy.com and find the item you want to purchase. Once you've added it to your cart and are ready to check out, you'll be directed to your shopping cart page. On the shopping cart page, you'll see a prominent button to proceed to checkout. Click on that to move to the next step. Now, on the checkout page, look for the payment section. You'll find an option to enter a gift card or reward card. This is where your Best Buy store credit comes into play. You'll need to carefully enter your store credit card number and the PIN, which is usually found on the back of the card, often under a scratch-off sticker. After entering your store credit details, click Apply. You'll see the store credit amount deducted from your order total, instantly showing you how much you've saved. If the store credit covers the full amount, fantastic. If not, you can then use another payment method, like a credit card or PayPal, to cover the remaining balance. Once you've confirmed everything, complete your purchase, and that tech is on its way to your doorstep. It's that easy. Now you can confidently use your Best Buy store credit to bring home the electronics, appliances, and everything in between you've been dreaming of. Happy shopping!